doing sa YouTube ko. Kasi my TikTok contents are more politics. So politika talaga siya, guys. But here, this is for YouTube and my Facebook. Ganda ng Ateneo, no? Sana all. Maganda naman yung school namin, University of Mindanao. Nakakabango lang talaga dito.